Yeah. Yep, I think we lost them. Oh, nope, there they is. We got one still in here. There's one still. He's still there.
Yeah, there they are.
Yeah, it's just deeper here.
Yeah, it's deeper, so they go down and come back up.
Come back. There they are.
The Destin Dolphins, always having fun.
It's not fun.
Probably like, finally, some people who want to play with us instead of just look at us. They just decided they were done.
Look at them go!
No, they're getting fish.
Wow, that was awesome.
Hi, Cayenne. How you like that? How do you like that, Cayenne?
Oh, look, they're
I'm
back.
so tired. Oh no, not the boat.
Everybody
No,
say thanks, guys.
Thanks, Dolphins.
That was worth the trip, huh?
That was definitely worth it.
Cool.
Good
Love
Dolphins.
that when they ride that way.
I mean, they ran with us forever.
They did. It was like in Hawaii that time. when
They're
they were right
they're
here,
tuckered
hanging
out now, probably.
They're,
How fast were we going?
They're doing something.
About 8 knots, which is about 10 miles an hour.
That's pretty quick to be swimming for that long like that.
Well, then they just passed us up.
Yeah, they were just like, oh, we're done with this.
Wait, look, they're just chilling. They're waiting for round 2, Dad.
Tired
You
puppies.
remember that Hawaii when they followed the boat that whole way up the coast?